All right, welcome into the channel. It's Michael Tharp EDU. It starts with you. I just had a friend send this to me, and it looks pretty interesting. So I think I'm gonna get some of their tokens. This is called Everlodge. It's basically like fractional ownership of an Airbnb rental. So you can basically use their token to buy different, luxury of rentals around the world, and then as people, they manage all the, you know, everything for you. You don't have to do anything. But then the profit that comes in is split amongst the token holders. They are in pre-sale, so this is something that's going to require you to, wait. But as always, you want to get in early, get passive income. I have not vetted this a ton. I just looked at their white paper, but as you can see here, there's 5 different owners to this place. So I read the white paper. You can come up here. I'm not going to do a deep dive on this, but you can just look at the tokenomics. There's 532 million, which isn't a crazy amount. The initial price was, you can see here, the pre-sale schedule. So obviously it would have been better if we would have gotten in here. They're on around 8 right now. So we're paying like 2.5 cents. And it's going to launch at about 4 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and register. So you're just going to say get started. And then I'm going to fill all this out. It is built on Ethereum, but it does let you use, let's see, that's, so I guess you can use all those to pay what you want to pay. So I'll have to figure out what I'm going to use. There really is no minimum. I mean, they said to do $25 to cover the gas fees. I'll probably buy a couple hundred, but I'll go ahead and fill this out and then show you guys what's next. Okay, once I got in, this is where it's at. You can see the dashboard by token. Okay, so I'm assuming same thing. Okay, so you can use all of these. I have some extra Ethereum, so I'm going to use that. So amount in USDT, or I'm going to get 250, almost 10,000 of those. All right, no promo code. Make payment. Okay, I don't know why that didn't work the first time. Okay, your order has been placed. Please send that much ETH to the address below. Okay, so we're going to copy that. Okay, so that's taken care of. I'll close that. And insert your ERC wallet address to receive once launched. Okay, so let's add a wallet. Just to keep it simple, I'll do it from the one I sent. So that's where the tokens will be airdropped. And I read it in the white paper. You get, where was it? There was somewhere it said like you get 25% at the time. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so they do all this so they don't want like everyone dumping the tokens at the same time. That's why they're vested. So you get 25% upon initial launch, and then 15% monthly for the remaining months. So they don't want to just dump, tons of tokens on the market and then everyone sells and the price crashes. So that's pretty normal. I will put this referral link down below in the YouTube video. So if you guys want to get into real estate for literally as little as 25 bucks, 50 bucks, 100 bucks, this is obviously a long-term project. We're just getting started. It's not something I'm going to, pour tons of money in right now, but never hurts to just play around a little bit. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you find out anything else about this, feel free to let me know. Lace up, let's get wealthy, guys. Peace.